Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. A large and in charge ridge of high pressure across the central Yukon at 1,056 millibars this afternoon. It's big and it's rough, tough, and hard to bluff. With that, it looks like it's going to control a lot of our weather as we go into the next several days, as you would expect, as it meanders north and west and establishes a firm grip on a large part of Alaska and the weather that follows. As we go until this afternoon, you'll notice a weak area of low pressure across the Gulf. The more active areas are across the west coast and the southwest, where we've seen pockets of rain and snow stretching from Dutch Harbor on Alaska to the southern tip of the Alaska Peninsula, to Bristol Bay and the south and western coast of the YK Delta, Kotzebue Sound, the Chukchi Seacoast, and areas along the Arctic coast looking at some light snow. Things are probably going to change as we get into Wednesday evening through Thursday afternoon. The central Beaufort Seacoast under a blizzard watch now. That'll go from Wednesday night until Thursday afternoon. Winds west 35 to 50 are expected there, and again blowing and drifting snow expected there with near zero visibility because of that as we go from Wednesday night onward into Thursday. Also looking for a blizzard watch on the eastern Beaufort Seacoast during the same time frame there. A winter storm watch in effect for the northeastern Brooks Range, including Anaktuvuk Pass and Adigan Pass, Galbraith Lake, Sagwan, and the Franklin Bluffs. That'll go from Wednesday night through Thursday. 5 to 8 inches of snow possible in that region. A freezing rain advisory in effect from 6 o'clock tonight until 6 a.m. Wednesday for areas along the YK Delta. That's going to include Mountain Village, Amanak, Lackanuck, Kotlik, Pilot Station, St. Mary's, Scammon Bay, Marshall, and Pitca's Point, because light freezing rain is possible. It should be less than 1/10 of an inch, but it could make some things a little bit slick there if you're trying to travel. Freezing rain also possible from 6 o'clock tonight until about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning for areas in the lower Yukon Valley, including Russian Mission, Grayling, Holy Cross, and Shagaluk, Anvik, and Flat. As we get into Thursday, high pressure is still in charge, but it's really filling in across the Chukchi Sea with more of a north and west gradient coming in from the Arctic coast all the way down to south central. The wind should pick up, especially Thursday night and into Friday. That is going to up the fire danger threat for the Matanuska Valley all the way down the western Kenai Peninsula. Gusts will pick up around the Cook Inlet and the Anchorage area as well, increasing the fire danger as we go through the weekend. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder. You can check on your weather conditions anytime by going to weather.gov/Alaska.